dual fuel and sealed rangetop burners and grates, cleaning and care. Depending upon when you purchased your dual fuel range or sealed burner rangetop, the burners may appear slightly different than what you see in this video. The basic cleaning tips are, however, the same for both designs. Please refer to your use and care manual if you have any questions. Always hand wash all decorative components of your appliance. This includes the knobs, bezels, grates, and burner caps. Allow the equipment to cool first and then wash in warm water and liquid detergent. Rinse and dry and you're done. Do not place these components in a dishwasher. Make sure the burner ports are clear or your flame will be poor. Do not use abrasive cleaners on the burner pan or porcelain interior. They will permanently scratch the surface. For general cleaning, use a clean cloth or sponge and wipe with warm water and a mild dish detergent. Rinse and dry. When using spray degreasers, spray on a cloth and wipe the surface to remove fingerprints and greasy spatters. Buff dry immediately. When cleaning the grates, remove from the appliance and place on a flat surface near the sink. Use non-abrasive cleaners such as hot water and liquid detergent or a paste of baking soda and water. Then wipe with a plastic pad or sponge. To clean the control knobs, your first step is to remove the knob pieces by pulling them forward off the valve stem. Then wipe each knob with a damp cloth and mild soap and water. Rinse and dry. Never soak in water or use abrasive cleaners. They will scratch the finish and may remove the markings. Do not spray cleaners on electrical controls, igniters, wires, or switches. It's important to keep these components dry. When cleaning around the surface burner, be careful that the cloth does not catch on the igniter and damage it.